Hello, welcome to the Secure File Transport app demo. Secure File Transport is a Salesforce native solution that allows you to securely send and receive sensitive documents using text as well as email. In today's demo, we will be talking about features and benefits of Secure File Transport, how to request files, how to send files, P2, an upcoming package. We will look at the features and benefits of the Secure File Transport app one by one. The application works with all the Salesforce standard and custom objects, and all the files are related to the parent object. You can track the status of the requests in real time. It supports tagging of files for the easy management of the files. The application offers full automation that reduces human error and helps you to save time. There's no limit on the file size or on the number of files that can be sent or received in one request. It also offers end-to-end encryption without the need of any PINs, passwords, or logins. It will also take care of all the compliance requirements such as PCI, HIPAA, GDPR, and more. First, we will demo the request file scenario. I will use the contacts object for the demo, but we can set up this app on any standard or custom object. There are three ways of manually requesting the files: through the Request File form on the right, the Request Files tab in the utility bar, and the Request Files button on the top right corner. This can also be fully automated, so you don't even have to click a button. All the fields are pre-populated from the contact record. A template here drives four things: the file tags that we are requesting, the SMS template, the email subject, and the email body. Multiple templates can be set up easily using the Secure File Templates tab. A file request can be sent through an SMS, an email, or both. You can use these toggles if you want to change the method of requesting the files. In the advanced settings, you can enable a two-factor authentication for added security and change the expiration date on the fly, which has been set to 7 days from now by default. Once I click on the Send Request button, a file request has been created, and all the file requests will be related to the parent record. You can track the request status in real time. Currently, it is in the Sent status. You can now see an SMS message on the phone screen. Clicking on the link will redirect you to the portal. This page can be fully white labeled, and you will not see Cloud Maven or BotDoc anywhere. This link can also be sent through an email. This email can also be fully white labeled to reflect your logo and color theme. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the same portal you saw on the phone. Upload the files and click on the Send button to complete the request. In Salesforce, you can now see that the request is now in completed stage, and the files have been received inside Salesforce. The files have been automatically tagged, and you can also see the tags against which the files are missing. An automated request can be sent to the customer for the tags with missing files. All the files are stored inside Salesforce and are related to the file request and parent object. We can also store your files on any cloud storage platform. Now we will see the Send Files scenario. Click on the Send Files button in the top right corner to open the Send File form. You will see a similar form where all the details are pre-populated and a template can be selected. You can either send a file that is related to the record or upload a file from the system. Clicking on the Send File button will initiate the Send File request. Send requests can also be tracked in real time. The link has been sent through both email and SMS. You can now see the email, and clicking on this button will redirect you to the portal. Click on the Download button to download the file. In Salesforce, you will be able to see that the request status has been moved from Sent to Completed, indicating that the customer has downloaded the file. We have multiple reports and dashboards to determine user adoption. You can now see the Secure File Transport dashboard. Here you can see an overview of the number of file requests, average transaction completion time, total size of the media that was transported, and a lot more. This dashboard can be fully customized to suit your needs. P2 stands for Push-Pull. This will allow you to send and receive documents, chat with the customer, as well as share DocuSign within the same container. Start your free trial today and contact us now at solutions@cloudmaveninc.com.